in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Southeastern Hamilton County in central Texas, west central McLennan County in central Texas, northern Correo County in central Texas, southern Bosque County in central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of Hamilton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gatesville, Clifton, Hamilton, Valley Mills, Crawford, Grand Falls Gap, South Mountain, Norse, Osage, Hearst Springs, Pancake, Kyle, Real City, Pramila, Whiteway, Aylman, Levita, Jonesboro, Ireland, and Mosheim. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Imagine the doubleheader. A doubleheader!
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montague County in north-central Texas, northeastern Wise County in north-central Texas, northwestern Denton County in north-central Texas, southwestern Cook County in north-central Texas, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Elmwood, or 13 miles north of Decatur, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanger, Ray Roberts Park Isle du Bois, Ray Roberts Park Johnson Branch, Valley View, Leo, Lake Ray Roberts, Bolivar, Greenwood, Ralston, Slidell, and Lewis. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 473 and 483. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Imagine a triple header.
The current